Welcome back to Brooke N Jake Make, where I'm not Brooke.
And I'm not Jake. We are tired of our workbench and it is time for something new.
It's gotta go.
But first, we're going to take you on a little tour of what we've been working with for the past 6 months, and then we're going to make it better. Okay, so we have our workbench on top of sawhorses, and it's actually an Ikea desktop that we're currently using. You can see some of the damage from when we screwed into the table, making that entryway cabinet.
It is a screw.
We've got some more holes over here from our clock build where we were just like, well, we know we're building a new workbench, so let's just drill into it. And then we've got some spray paint tests, some from our clock build and some from also our test for this workbench that we're going to be making. So that's what we've been working with for the past 6 months.
We wanted to do a super simple build this time, but we still want it to meet our needs, our basic needs of height. That's our biggest complaint with this last table.
So to get started, we are going to make the frame for our workbench and get the pieces that we cut down to the right size. We're going to attach them with wood glue, and then after that we will get started on the legs. And
for those who want the dimensions, we're doing a 3 foot by 6 foot top with 1 by 6s. Nope, 1 by 4s. 1 by 4s by 6 feet that we're cutting down.
Yeah. Okay, so before we go to bed for the night, while we're waiting for that glue to dry still, we are going to tape a design onto the tabletop of our workbench, and then we'll spray paint it in the morning tomorrow, but we're going to tape it tonight just to save us a little bit of time in the morning, and we're just going to freehand it, so let's see how it goes. It's the next day. We are going to attach our legs together. We're going to attach them like this, 2 boards together. We're going to use that, attach them together using pocket holes, and then we'll put them in each corner of the frame.
So about 8 boards total. Do you think we should glue them at all or just pocket holes?
I think just the pocket holes would be sturdy enough.
I think it's holding a lot more than what I expected.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started.
So now it's time to put our tabletop on. We're gonna hit it with some wood glue and clamp it for the night. Let it sit, let it rest, get a nice tight bond, and take it from there. Alright guys, so while the poly dries, we're going to go ahead and do a couple upgrades. For us, a big thing we wanted is paper towels. So we're going to use these cross supports that we have underneath and attach these fisheye hooks, I think they're called fisheye hooks, and run a metal pole through them so that we can hopefully fit 2 paper towels, the blue and the normal, for your different shop uses. So what we did, we took the pole and a full paper towel and saw where it would hit the top of this board, and I determined that as long as we're at this point or further back, then we'll be okay and we won't hit and we can roll flawlessly. Next, we're going to add some clamp storage because we always need clamps and we want them close to the bench. So what we did for this is we're going to have these picture hanging hooks, and just place a metal dowel rod in it and run it across our bench. There you have it, our new workbench.
Yay!
I'm happy with it, are you?
Yep. I'm
Good.
very happy with it. I think it looks really cool.
I agree. My favorite was the sign for a long
that's
time.
by far my favorite part of this entire thing is making that sign, and it looks awesome.
The part I hated was putting the casters on, but the part that I now love are the casters.
Yeah.
Like, once you have all four up and able to just kind of spin it and turn it and move it, like,
it's really nice.
It's very nice.
Yeah.
We have some clamp storage. We came up with a couple more ideas that we want to improve it just a little bit. The paper towels are nice. They already got good use.
Yeah.
Cleaning up some messes, so I'm happy with it.
Me too.
Yeah. All right.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks.
Subscribe.
And remember to do something that makes yourself happy every single day.
Bye.